Today I'm going to show you how to clean out your fireplace vent. I like to clean these things out periodically. As you can see here, notice that in the spring, the birds, they like to make nests inside of this. They always figure out a way to get in, even though it's supposed to be bird proof. It never is. So it's important to clear all that junk out before winter. When you turn it on, there's a lot of heat that comes out, and I personally don't like knowing that there's a bird's nest inside of a thing that's going to get very hot. So just from the risk of fire, I'd like to take these things apart and get all the debris out. In my situation, I got to get up on a ladder. So that's my first step. But if you can reach this without needing that, on my model specifically, there are a few bolts. I already took a couple out, and then I realized, oh, I want to make a video on this. So I took out these two. It is an 8mm socket. I'm going to now take out this bolt right here, and I'm going to take out that one. Once your bolts are out, this should slide off pretty easily. And then also this panel. It should lift up and out. So much stuff in there. Look at that. Oh, there's even some eggs, some old abandoned eggs that never hatched. This is what the inside of mine looked like. You can see all this nesting that was in there, and this stuff is gonna get really, really hot, and then to a point where I would imagine it would start to singe or actually light on fire due to the heat of the fireplace. Those eggs, that's kind of a surprise to see. Poor little dudes. I'm gonna have to just throw all this away. So I just kind of wiggled one around in case anybody was wondering. It looks like bugs got to them long ago. Well, I'm gonna spray this out, clean it up real nice, make sure there's no odors or anything, and then pop it back up. And it's just gonna be those 4 bolts all over again. Looks like I got some drippings of like bug spray or something that wasp spray probably. I'm gonna clean that up too while I'm up here. Couple of tips when putting this back together. There's going to be the outer box, the lid, and then on this back side you can see a little foam or a little fiberglass insert. That's going to go in between the wall and this flap. That way it prevents, like if it's really windy, it won't be squeaking and creaking and stuff.